If your team hates using your CRM, it's not their fault, it's the CRM. Most CRMs pull your team out of their workflow and force them to log data they'll never use again. That's why they stop using it. Streak is different. It lives right inside Gmail, the place you already spend your day. No extra logins, no switching tabs, no learning curve. Every email is automatically logged, every deal is tracked, and your entire pipeline is right in your inbox. You can manage contacts, assign tasks, track deals, run mail merges, and integrate with tools like Slack, Google Sheets, and Zapier, without ever leaving Gmail. Your team actually uses it, your data stays accurate, and you finally get the visibility you need to grow faster. Stop fighting with your CRM and start closing more deals. Try Streak today.